So we just got our keys to this place that we want to put up for rent. The goal was very simple. We needed to turn this empty unit into an attractive, cozy home at the lowest cost and quickest time possible. So in this video, I want to share some hacks I've discovered along the way that will help you design your home better and save you a whole lot of money. So first things first, we need to treat the walls and floors as they are canvas and they take up the most space visually. This place is a 1173 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. It's already partly furnished as part of the package we purchased, so we only need to furnish it to make it look and feel good. Because it's too expensive and time-consuming to paint all the walls, use wallpapers or install wooden plank floors, we decided to just play around with the curtains and add wall decors. I tried doing a DIY vinyl floors for one of my previous homes, and it took me 40 to 60 hours across 3 weeks. So, heck no. I went for sheer curtains because I think they look nicer. They let more light in and gives a cozier, airier vibe as it softens the light. They're also really cheap and easy to get custom made online these days. I got them on Shopee and installed them myself for less than 1,000 ringgit, when it would typically cost around 2,000 to 4,000 ringgit hiring someone to do it. And to maintain privacy in the bedrooms, we use these IKEA adhesive blinds that you can easily cut them to size and just paste onto your windows. There's a blockout and non-blockout version, and they both only cost around 15 to 25 ringgit. We'll come back to the wall decor part later, as that will be our magical finishing touches that brings it all together. As for the furniture, we tried to make sure to get the right size ones that will fit the space the best. One mistake that I often see people make is that they will buy a furniture just because it looks nice and then realizing later on that it's either too big or too small for their space. We managed to snag this beautiful TV console on Shopee for only 160 ringgit. It has great shapes and lines going on that gives off an expensive contemporary look, and we paired it with this 50-inch TV that a friend sold it to us for only 350 ringgit. Then I found this L-shaped dark velvet material sofa on Facebook Marketplace for only 850 ringgit, which was another steal because any new 3-seater L-shaped 200cm sofa will easily cost 1,800. There's even one on IKEA that's going for around 3,600 ringgit. Dining table wise, my sister very kindly gave hers to us as she has been wanting to change her dining table as well. It's a beautiful 6-seater wood dining table that fits the space perfectly, and this probably also saved me a good 1,000 to 2,000 ringgit. So don't be afraid to ask around friends and family and look online for pre-loved furnitures. You get to save a whole lot of money and give these unwanted furnitures a new life. And then I got these coffee table and console table from Shopee. They've got a clean, modern look and the build quality is pretty decent. And the best part is that they only cost around 200 ringgit each. Now this is the major cheat code for me. Rugs. They change up a space entirely. They add texture and section up different corners of the room, and that makes the space feel bigger and cozier. Again, make sure to get the correct size for it. I usually try to make sure the rug fills up around 75% of the living room and is wider than the sofa or bed. And it also should be 1.5 times bigger than the dining table for the dining space. And now for the finishing touches that you might have already caught a glimpse of. I added IKEA picture ledges above the TV to draw the eye upwards. That helps create a perception of a bigger space. They're relatively easy to install and they cost only 45 ringgit each. It's a great way to fill up an empty wall and display your favorite art pieces. I then went onto Pinterest and found some mid-century style wall art, and I printed them in the size that I wanted at a local print shop. I've been going to them for quite a few years now, so I can highly recommend going to them if you need any printing done. Very fortunately and by divine timing, we somehow had a photo shoot with our dear talented friends, and there were plants that they were gonna throw away after the shoot. So we asked if we could bring it home instead, and we ended up reusing them for this space. And the most important parts of it all, lighting. The lighting that usually comes with the unit are insufficient and unflattering, and the cheapest and most effective way would be to add lamps. I found many cheap and good looking lamps on Shopee, and I'll link them all below as well. And finally, we added sheets, pillows, throws, adding textures to make it feel more lived in and get a homey vibe, and cleaned the space up and wrapped it all up. So to recap, this was the before and this is the after. I was running out of time, so I didn't get to film as much as I wanted to, but I did take some final photos and videos to advertise the unit listing. There are obviously still a lot that can be improved, but I'm quite happy with what we were able to come up with, given the resources that we had. Few ending thoughts for those planning to furnish a place. If you want to save money, be prepared to spend time. I spent more than an hour every single day just on traveling to the space because of where I was located. And I probably spent tens of hours just scrolling on my phone researching for the best deals and trying to design the space myself, which I hope this video can help you save some time with all the links that I've compiled. But what you do get though is learning a skill that will stay with you forever. I did spend a lot of time just figuring out how to install things, fix things, but over time I have gained confidence just learning to use these tools. And it's also a lot more fulfilling to enjoy the final product when you know that you have put it all together with your own bare hands. At the time of upload, we have a few potential tenants viewing the place, so hopefully we do get to rent it out soon. I will keep you guys updated on my socials, so if you wanna follow along the journey, feel free to find me on my socials at iamchrisyap. Let me know if this video has helped you or if you have enjoyed this video. Drop a like and comment so that more people can enjoy this too. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.